to conclude this particular series, this historical series about this critical turning point in Sudan's Second Civil War, I'm including a final set of cassette recordings when I visited Gatdeang Mut Tutroah in his home in Koani. By that time, he had heard the messages that were sent by Paulino Matip and Peter Gatdet, assuring him that no one would attack him in his home and he'd be safe. So I visited him there where he felt very safe, and he was very happy with the messages being conveyed. So you'll hear his and one of the people who worked with him, their interpretation of what this whole historical incident was about. Now think about that. We're all so privileged that we can hear, sort of listen and eavesdrop on conversations that were made by Nuer leaders of the past who express their own concerns and their own perspectives. I hope it'll encourage you. Perhaps you have some people near you who were big experiences in the war who are still living. Why not interview them, tape them? It's your history. Go collect it. All right, let's go. Let's listen.
Shu Gatdet, Shu Jien, Shu Nairobi. We're dual gore. Me elare jo gada gore. Go bi gore. Me you purta je dir gore. Shu Gatdet Jien ka Nairobi. Changai. Me shu bu ne ki Gatdet ki Jien. Jena de ali roi. Che we une. Ramagur wa ka jalap. Beneri charpel. Jen Gatdeang point. E jo ne ri char wa ka opel u ran wona jalap. Je kum dan e jen John garang. Me da ne tin ka char wide. Shu Gatdet we ngen bo chang ko bom. Shu do li jing tin. Ya Gatdet bu tin bom di. Ye go ru di ngen bo wona do da go ru ne der Gatdeang der ku rang der nang. Shu Gatdeang mir. Shu na ta yir. Na do ya la tong. Me u tong. Yo de tin. Yo Gatdeang ku la go re hu je be nang be no jalap Gatdeang lu je. Lu je ngen jalap che de tin. Ngen chang de ko jalap. Ngen di re nen ti char. Gatdeang la lu pin wor ba ro ta re ro. Li ku bi ben ba wi ba gol ba je ne man wi. Cha Gatdeang a je ku ko tin yu man me ki Nyarial ben ka cha talata. Yu Gatdeang je re ro ku yu man me yi ku ben ki liam di ki de tin ka tir ga de wana. Tu man yi Nyarial ben me yi ro Gatdeang ku Nyarial chirit banang. Fiona lu tin wuri yan dol bulo to ne. Gin Gatdet ki gin Matip yor ko ro re nyok. Ko tin banu ma ban liu ti lu liam ji ben je chu. Chu man me yi ga de ko ne tare wi yi liu. Ka che pel ba fi ngu no ne ma le jin tin. Mani dam mani ta ta nyur me yi Nyarial ben wala me che be je ma le dan la kan Gatdeang. Che Gatdeang be je ni chang ki lun chang. Ki ma li de tin ka tir Gatdeang. Mani ta pa nye. Mani yi Nyarial ben wala me yi roi ka chang ka ja du wi bangwan ka pai die che Gatdeang be je chang wan. Ki Gatdeang lo ya te long ka Nyarial. Ka Nyarial ni dialo yi Nyarial benu gu wi de re ra ko yo benu chang. Ki Nyarial ba la. E be je re ra.
Adin bala.
Ajen ko lo je chagwa puj ko Nyarial. Ajara me ki lo je la pe me ye chum wal mai. Me ye je puj ga ye gurne tong me law kare ne me. Me yang we jana doro wani jana ye lorka kalate kon ye le kuin ka wuna non to kiena na ye magwa biya ka kon bana jinu kama kialo kanyore chore kapkor me ya nonka Nyarial kera mi kam na larpa loje ye wote Nyarial change beje kelo ina chang ka me cha lar kuma